I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Lebara to Giffgaff, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check eligibility. Make sure your number is eligible for porting. Generally, your number should be active with Lebara and not locked or contract. Step 2. Request a PAC code. Contact Lebara to request a porting authorization code PAC. You can do this via their customer service or through the app. Step 3. Sign up with Giffgaff. Create an account with Giffgaff and order a new SIM card. During the sign-up process, you will be prompted to enter your PAC code. Step 4. Insert Giffgaff SIM. Once you receive your Giffgaff SIM, insert it into your phone. Make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with Giffgaff's network. Step 5. Complete the porting process. After inserting the SIM, your number should port over within a few hours to a couple of days. Check your phone for service and confirm the number change. If you run into any issues, like the port taking longer than expected, double check that you entered the PAC code correctly during sign-up. Good luck with your new Giffgaff service.